Hey, what's up YouTube? So, I was working on a project the other day, one that I'm eventually going to put on the channel, and I was thinking to myself, there's a part of this project that I think you guys should see before the main project. So, without further ado, I'm going to show you guys how to make a poor man's friction clamp. At least that's what I call it. It probably has another name or something, but this is what I did. So, enjoy. Okay, so for this simple vise, I think I'm going to use 3 4-inch clamps, 2 pieces of scrap wood, and a bungee strap. So you guys stick with me and we'll see if this will work.
What?
Okay, so there's my partially finished axe head, and this is the way you probably saw it in the other video if I've put it up yet. And what I've got this board mounted in the middle so it won't like tilt or move or anything like that. The top board I've got mounted at one side under the table. You guys can see what's going on there. I just kind of put it up under the lip. But it's still semi-loose. You can kind of move that around. So here's where my poor man's vise is going to turn into a vise, like a holding vise.
What?
Okay, so here's my 3rd C-clamp and the whole setup. And what we're going to do is take the bungee cord and wrap it around that.
What?
I took this part of the bungee strap and I put it on the end of the top piece of wood, as you can see there. And then I ran it down around this vise, over to the other vise, well, I guess I mean clamp, and then back to the 3rd clamp again. So there's the whole setup, you can see that. Now check this out. You can move it, but it'll keep tension on whatever your project is. So, there's your poor man's vise.
What?
Okay, if you guys like the poor man's friction clamp there that I made up on my work table, let me know. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Alright folks, I'll see you next time. Hey, what's up? Burton here, and if you like this video, check out one of these other videos. Or subscribe, like, comment. Tell me what you liked about it. Ring that bell. Or hit me up on Twitter, @Bretonian. Alright folks, you guys have fun. Bye.